Welcome back to the channel, guys. My name is Nelson. Today we have a 2012 Honda Pilot. This thing is huge. She is the EXL leather, third row seats, fits up to 8 people. She's got so much space. My entire phone fits right here. We got our shifter. This one does not have the navigation, but it's got a cool screen here. Woo! Loud. Let's see. I'll just turn this down. I got the AC going right now. I think the AC display is here. Let me turn this down a bit. So how reliable is a Honda Pilot? This one, 2012 Honda Pilot EXL. It's a 2-wheel drive, 3.5 liter V6, no accidents, 2 previous owners, 21 service records, 176,000 last reported odometer reading, but right now it's reading 134,000 miles. She is idling perfectly. She feels really good. Leather wrapped steering wheel. We got our volume buttons here, cruise control here, cell phone here, have sunroof. I have it tilted right now. Okay, let me just close it. Also the sun visors, a little bit of wear and tear. Doesn't close perfectly. Passenger side one does. Just some common issues. I mean, common things you're going to see with a Honda Pilot with 180,000 miles. It's 102 degrees outside and I am sweating right now, but I'm trying to figure out. So I got my front AC. Let's just hit off and let me see if I hit. Okay, my low is on again. I had to turn the AC on in the rear. Okay, there we go. Let me turn the rear AC on as well. So it has rear AC control. That's cool. I think we're ready to go for a drive. Oh, rear camera as well. Safety first. Sun visor still very functional. Just a little saggy. Like a family SUV. This ain't no sports car. It's probably not very fast, but it definitely feels like it has enough power to get up and go, to get you out of any tight spot or situation you might get into. Pretty excited to get her on the freeway. We just got her in stock, so check out our website, tealsautosalesturlock.com. Woo! About to enter the freeway, and so far I feel really confident in it. The transmission shifts very nice, very smooth. The motor has good amount of power. It accelerates. I believe it accelerates the way it should. The AC has a bit of a noise, but let's see how she drives on the freeway. Yeah, for such a big SUV, it definitely caught up to traffic very fast. Honda makes an excellent V6 motor. Whether it's the 3.0, 3.2, 3.5. Going 60 miles an hour. So far, so good. Alignment seems good. I'm going 70 now. Seems also to be very good. A little tiny bit of shake on the steering wheel. But the alignment is still good, running smooth. I just slammed on my brakes. They brake good. No shakiness in the wheel. Yeah, so far so good, but I don't think I'm gonna be able to get up to 80. It's too much traffic. It's got some noises from that I think I hear in the backseat. It's also got a little bit of AC noise, and I think that's coming more through the vents than on the outside. It does have a little bit of noise, like wind noise coming through the windows as well, but I don't think it's really that bad. So after about 10 minutes of test drive, it's driving good. RPMs are exactly where they're supposed to be, full of gas. Well, you know, not full, but I got gas. Temperature's fine. There's no shakiness in the wheel. The wheel is super still, and I like that a lot. Here's my shifter, got it right in drive. A little bit of AC noise, but it's not that big of a deal. If I had my radio on, it'd be no big deal. The vents are cool. Some cool vents and stuff like that. That's cool. Well, if you guys are enjoying the video, give it a like, give it a thumbs up. Let me know how much miles your Honda Pilot has. Let me know your favorite thing about your Honda Pilot. I mean, obviously there's these huge giant things. If you got kids, this is perfect. This is a great weekend warrior. Just hop somewhere and get out of town. Honda reliability. Shout out to Honda for making a great SUV. Doing a quick cop check. So that's it, 0 to 70. Woo! That was fun. I don't think it's really that fast, but it's definitely got that kick. It's definitely got that get up and go. In great shape, other than just the steering wheel. Leather wrapped steering wheel, but you know, just a little bit of wear. And that's about it. A little bit of wear on the seats. The panels are nice. Everything looks to be original on it. Just a really cool SUV. I love the redesign on them. I love the outside, the inside. They got really good looks. The tail lights are super aggressive on this car. I'm not really gonna be able to go fast here, but when you hit like 3,000 RPMs, you really just feel it. Oh, someone's honking at me. But it just drives normal here, and then when you get to like 3,000, this motor just comes alive. I'm not really giving it much gas, and then the eco light comes on, kind of just coasting. Let me see if the cruise control works. Oh, hit cancel. There you go. Yeah, cruise control works. We're just cruising. I'm just cruising now. Let me take that off. But thank you guys so much for coming on this drive with me. Like, comment, subscribe. Woo! It's just really nice to get out of the dealer. We were talking about going to Reno today. There's some single cabs Chevys out there in Reno, and we're really interested in going out there. I'm interested in getting out of here. Freaking, it's barely Tuesday and I'm already beat. This week has just got this crazy. We've almost sold like 3 or 4 cars, and 3 or 4 deals have fell through, and it's just been a wild ride, it feels like. Hopefully this week gets better. I know it will. We just gotta keep working it. We just gotta work every day, all day, every day. Yeah, so far so good. No weird smells, no weird noises. Just a great car. I know that we did the motor oil to this car. We also did the transmission oil. We did some, I think, some CV axles on it. So the car has plenty of service. It's got all the service that it needs. So it's very, very reliable. And I swear, when you hit 3,000 RPMs, this thing just goes. I love the interior. The seats are just so big, and they just hug you in all the right spots. Both seats are electrical on this one, which is awesome. The EXL, baby. This guy's hella tailgating me. All right, well, that's our video. Like, comment, subscribe. I gotta open up this gate. Thanks a lot, guys. Oh, well, let's just talk about it real quick. Test drive. So it went really well. The biggest issue I have with this is possibly just a little bit of suspension noise, but I mean, if you look down Golden State, it's they say they're gonna fix the road, and they never have. Driving down good streets, of course, it's perfect, it's good, there's no noises. But I mean, you also hear noises on the inside, which could be kind of just things that are kind of just loose and wiggling around here on the inside. Also, you have a bit of AC noise, and I mean, all that noise will probably just go away with a little bit of music. Ultimately, it's a great ride. I think it's reliable. I know this is still running on a timing belt system, so to have a timing chain would just make it more reliable. But I mean, this is a 2012. It looks good, drives good, has 180,000 miles. It's got good history, which is good for it. You know, only 2 previous owners. But I mean, everyone that had it was just basically like a commuter person. Basically, they put 20,000 miles on it per year. You want to know how reliable a car is? Look at the Carfax. And of course, the condition. I mean, everything is where it should be. The only issue in the interior is just a little wear on the seats because they're leather, they're cracked, and the steering wheel. And that's it. I mean, this car is legit.